let's talk about maternal effect dominant embryonic arrest, or MEDEA for short. MEDEA is a very interesting gene that is classified as a selfish gene, meaning that this gene wants to propagate and be passed on even at the expense of other genes. This gene wants to be passed on so badly that it comes at the expense of all offspring that do not carry this gene. So how it works is it is a gene expressed by the mother. The mother carrying this gene will produce offspring. However, she is also producing a specific toxin. Now, that toxin is deadly to all offspring unless they are also carrying a copy of the MEDEA gene themselves, at which point they produce an antidote to the toxin and survive. However, the offspring that do not carry the MEDEA gene, they will succumb to the toxin and not develop fully and not survive. This is done to ensure only the passing on of the specific MEDEA gene. If you don't have that gene, you will not survive, because this gene codes for the antidote to the toxin that is produced by the mother who is also carrying the MEDEA gene. Now, this was also named after the Greek mythological figure of Medea, who was a witch married to Jason of the Argonauts, the one that found the Golden Fleece. She was married to Jason, they had kids, but a lot of stuff happened. This is not a mythology account. Basically, she killed her children. And the MEDEA gene was named after her because it also kills off offspring if they do not carry the specific gene. Now, in the wild, this has only ever been observed in one specific type of bug, the flower beetle. The flower beetle are the only known individuals to actually be able to carry and produce this MEDEA gene. They're the only ones who have it naturally in the wild. However, in laboratory settings, it has been edited into the genome of Drosophila melanogaster, or the common fruit fly. And it works in basically the same way. The gene-edited mother produces a toxin due to the MEDEA gene. She passes that toxin on to her offspring. Those who inherit the gene survive, those who do not, don't. Now, this is quite an interesting gene and very important in disease research, because using the MEDEA gene, it could provide a kind of, not treatment, but decrease in diseases such as malaria and dengue fever that are carried by insects. If put into wild insect populations, it could help to control the populations and thus lower the spread of those zoonotic diseases.